Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to see your Roblox account password. Okay, let's start. First, open your Roblox app. Click now, more option. Scroll down and click setting option. Click here account information. There is no option to see your Roblox account password. Don't worry, follow my next steps properly. First, open your phone settings. Now scroll down and click Google icon. Click here Password Manager. Click now Roblox icon. Now enter your screen lock password. Now see your Roblox account password. I hope your problem solved successfully. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.